Hey guys, I'm back with a new video for the day 5 straightening horizons crop in Photoshop. Welcome back to my channel and hit the subscribe button if you find the content useful. So let's begin. I have this photograph of sunset near the sea, and you can see here the horizon line that we can say where the sky and land meet seamlessly. So here it's the on the right side, the difference between the sky and sea is smaller than the left side. So I want a straight horizon. So how to do it? Select crop tool from the toolbar. This will make a border line around your photograph, and here in the tool options you have straighten. Click on that with this icon and just click, hold and drag it and trace the horizon line and leave. The Photoshop did it work. It automatically cropped your photograph, turned it, and made your horizon perfectly straighten on just one click. Now you can use the crop tool to make your crops how in which ratio or anything that you want. Right now here in the it's selected as original ratio. If you click on that, you have a lot of to it, like 1:1, 16:9, and different other ratios. 1:1 is generally for any square shape image if you want, and 16:9 is by default the basic ratio that we work with when we work for videos. So if I click on 1:1, you can see it's cropped according to that in that ratio, and with 16:9 it's something like this. We can move our image and place the crop marks according to that wherever we want it, something like this. I like this style, or let's get back to the original ratio. So once I disable the delete cropped area, which means if I enable it, the everything that is cropped right now we will never get back to it, even in Photoshop. That all will be lost for forever. And if I uncheck it, I can anytime just go back with the crop tool and get it all back. Like if I uncheck and tick mark, then again I click crop, you can see the whole thing is still visible to me. And if I check on it and delete, then nothing is, we can't get it back. We are with this. So I prefer to not checking the delete crop path, and we can get back to that anytime if we want. So this is how you can get your horizon straightened and perfectly crop the photographs that you click. If you find this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also hit the subscribe button and bell icon to not miss the next video.